Here I am, locked in here in the guest room with 1, 2, 3, 4 kitties while I bomb the living room. We'll get through this, guys. We can do it. I just have to hold my breath when I go pee-pee and hold my breath when I get a beer. I just went out there to go pee and the smell is unbelievable. My animals are free of fleas, but for some reason I still got one bouncing around every freaking night. So I think they're on the couch. So this hopefully will do the trick. The other 3 animals are locked in the other bedroom with Sandy. I figured I'd take this room and crash on the couch with beer. Good night, all. Wish me luck. Godspeed.